Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to grade 8 Hindi online class. How are you? I hope you are well and safe at home. Today we are going to learn lesson 1 poem. The topic is Sare Jahan Se Acha. This is a patriotic song. You would have heard this song. Author of this poem is Dr. Iqbal. He was praising our motherland in this poem. Which is our motherland? Do you know? India is our motherland. Why he was written this poem? Do you know? During freedom struggle, to encourage the people to participate in the freedom struggle, they have written many patriotic poems. This is Dr. Iqbal's one of the patriotic poem. Now you listen this poem. What's the topic? Sare Jahan Se Acha. Sare Jahan Se Acha. Do you know to read all? Sare Jahan Se. Do you know to read all? Already you have studied letters very well. Swarakshar and Vyanjanakshar, everything you have studied. Reading only problem for you. If you know to read, you will feel easy to read Hindi, okay? Now listen, I will give a simple method to read. Look here all. I have given here Swarakshar, Barakadi, Vyanjanakshar and Artha half letters. Now look here, you have to read, suppose this Hindustan. You have to read this Hindustan. Now listen how you have to find from these letters. Listen. Now this he, first you have to find this letter, which is the letter Ha. The Ha is here. The Ha is here. You have to write in a paper like this, fully in one paper. So you no need to look here and there. I have to find this Ha first. Then how you have to find this He? Look, bring here. Ha, Ha, He. So he you found now. Next you have to find this Yin. No? Where is it? It is Yin. Okay, next letter you have to find this what? Da. Where it is? It is here Da. So this is Da. Then you have to find this symbol. No? Where it is symbol? Look here. Bring it here. You place it here Da. Da, Da, Di. Here look Da, Di, Du, Dir, De, Dai, Do. So here in and this Da you have to do like Hindo. Next is here. See the half letter is Hindos. Next again Ta you have to find here. Ta. Next here Ta. This is a Chandrabind. This I didn't teach you. Ying pronunciation Chandrabind. Hindostan. Now it is Hindostan. So you have to read like this. If you practice 5 lessons, you will be thorough the letters and you can read also easily. So children, try to read. Those who know to read, no problem. Those who don't know to read, you try like this. I want you all know to read. Okay. Now look the poem. Now listen here. Sare Jahan Se Acha. What is the meaning of this poem? Sare means whole. Jahan means here world. Acha means best. Our country is the best country in this world. Our country is the best country in this world. Sare Jahan Se Acha. Best one. The countries from this world. Now listen. Sare, you would have heard this poem, you know well, often in the during Independence Day, during Republic Day, it will be telecasted in the TV. You can watch there, okay? So, but you don't know the meaning. Now I am telling the meaning here. Listen here. Sare Jahan Se Acha, Hindustan Hamara. Sare Jahan Se Acha, Hindustan. Hindustan means India. हमारा देश का नाम क्या है? हमारा देश का नाम भारत है और हिंदुस्तान है. हमारा देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है. हमारा हिंदुस्तान, हमारा भारत सब देशों से अच्छा देश है हमारा, इस दुनिया में हमारा देश ही अच्छा देश है. इन दिस वर्ल्ड आवर कंट्री इज द बेस्ट कंट्री. इन दिस वर्ल्ड आवर कंट्री इज द बेस्ट कंट्री. देन नेक्स्ट लाइन लुक, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. हम मीन्स यू नो वी. बुलबुले हैं स्काईलार्क. वी आर द स्काईलार्क ऑफ दिस कंट्री. ओके, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. ये गुलसिता रोज गार्डन. आवर कंट्री इज लाइक ए रोज गार्डन. We are the free bird of this rose garden. We are the free bird of this country. Now we are the free birds because we are free in this country. Our ancestors were struggled and got freedom for us. So we are freely living here, isn't it? Now this is what the Iqbal is saying, the father is telling. This land is a rose garden. We are the skylark of in this garden, in this land. Now listen, next he is telling, Parvat was सबसे ऊंचा. In our country we have a Parvat. What's mean of Parvat? Para Parvata vat Parvat. Parvat. What's mean of Parvat? Mountain. Parvat was सबसे ऊंचा. In our country have a high mountain. It is the high mountain is there. Hamsaya Asmanga. It is the neighbor of the sky. Hamsaya means neighbor. Asma means sky. It is the neighbor of the sky. Next, which is the neighbor of the sky? The Parvat. Parvat is looking like near the, when we are looking from here, the mountain is looking near the sky. So it is the neighbor of the sky. And O Sandari Hamara. It is the Sandari, gatekeeper for our country. So we no need to worry about anybody. So why he is singing this song? So give encourage, telling about praising our motherland and giving encouragement to the people. We should not afraid of anyone. We are the free people. We are the owner of this land. We are not slaves. So these all telling to the people through this poem. So where Sandari Hamara. Sandari, the mountain is the Parvat. Himalaya mountain is the gatekeeper of our country. O Paswa Hamara. It is the God of our country. It is the heart. Hamara means our. Everywhere is telling it is ours. We are the owner of this land. O Paswa Hamara. It is the God. The mountain is God of our country. नेक्स्ट, गोदी में खेलती हैं इसकी हजारों नदियाँ. गोदी में खेलती हैं. गोदी lap. Godi, the motherland's lap. The land he is telling lap. Here 1,000 rivers are flowing. Here 1,000 rivers are there. So in our land 1,000 rivers are there. So our land is greenish. We are getting everything from here. So it is ours. Next he is telling, next line he is telling, गुलशन है जिसके दम से रस के जिना हमारा. गुलशन मीन्स फ्लावर गार्डन. गुलशन मीन्स flower garden. जिसके दम से, this air from the garden, the air will be, the breeze air will get, no? So we are getting the this fresh air and the fragrant air we are getting. We are breathing the fragrant air. Raske jina hamara. Jaske means, raske means jealous. Raske means jealous. Jina means heaven. Hamara. We are getting the fragrant air. So the heaven is jealousy on us. Because comparing heaven, our country is the best than the heaven. So it is jealous on us. Okay. So he is praising like that our country. Next, Majgab nahi sikata. Here many religious people are. Majgab means religion. Majgab means religion. Nahi sikata, not teaching. Aapas mein means each other. By rekna means enmity. Here many religions are there, but the religions are not teaching us to enmity. Here it is teaching. Every religion is teaching us love each other. Love each other. Our religions are not teaching about the enmity. You be enmity. So it is teaching us love each other. Many religious people were living, many castes. So all together we are living. So majgab nahi sikata, aapas mein bair rakhna. It is not teaching us. You keep enmity each other. It is not teaching. It is teaching only love each other. Every religion is teaching us love each other. Next, he is telling Hindi hai hum. Hindi no, the language is Hindi. We must know Hindi. Hindi is our national language. Hindi hai hum. Hindi is our national language. Vatan hai, Matrbhumi, in this motherland. Vatan hai, Hindustan hamara. This motherland is Hindustan is our country. Here we have to speak in Hindi. We must know Hindi because Hindi is our national language. Now, I think you would have understood the meanings. Now, you listen the music.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हम साया तुम्हारा पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा हम साया तुम्हारा वो संतरी हमारा वो पासवा हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा की हजारों नदियाँ गोदी में खेलती है जिसकी हजारों नदियाँ गुलशन है जिसके दम से रश के जिया हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा
Now look these meanings. You have to write in your classwork note and you have to study. Listen here. Hindustan. What is mean of Hindustan? India. Hindustan means India. What is this? How you have to read now? Hindustan. India. Next, parvat, parvat, mountain. Parvat, mountain. Next, asma, sky. Asma, sky. Next, Hamsaya. Hamsaya. What's meaning of Hamsaya? Neighbor. Hamsaya, neighbor. Next, what is the meaning of this? Sandari. Sandari, gatekeeper. Sandari, gatekeeper. Next, what is this? Paswa, God. Paswa, God. Paswa, God. Next, Gulsan. Gulsan, what's the meaning? Flower garden. Gulsan, flower garden. What's the word? Gula, gul, sana, san. Gulsan, flower garden. Dama, dham. What's the meaning of dham? Breathe. Dham, breathe. Rusk, rusk. Ra, iska, rusk. Jealousy. What's the meaning of rusk? Jealousy. Jina, jina, heaven. Jina, jina, heaven. Look once more. What's the word? What's the word? Hindustan. Hindustan, India. This is what's the word? Parabatabat, Parbat, mountain. Parbat, mountain. Next, this is Asasma, Asma, sky. Asma, sky. This is Hamsaya, Hamsaya, neighbor. This is Santari, Sandari, gatekeeper. This is Paswa, Paswa, God. Paswa, God. This is Gula, Gul, Sana, na, San. Gulsan, flower garden. Gulsan, flower garden. This is Dhamma, Dham, breathe. Dham, breathe. Rasa, ras. Rusk, ras. Raiska, rusk. Next, jealousy, rusk, jealousy. Jina, heaven. Jina, heaven. This one you have to write in the classwork booklet and you have to write in the homework booklet 5 times. Okay. Next, homework, one book you got, I think. There also you have to write 1 page. So each day's portion you have to write in the classwork note and you have to submit every Saturdays. Okay. Children, study well. We can meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.